Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best laptops for college students. This list is based on my personal listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the laptops in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best laptops for college students on the market right now. Coming at number 7, we've got the Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop. The 15-inch Razer Blade laptop is equally great for conquering a school project or your opponents in today's chart-topping video games. Unlike most other gaming laptops, the 15-inch gaming rig is also great for use on the go. It's light, thin, impossibly elegant, and superbly crafted, yet as feature-packed as a laptop can be. With a 6-core Intel processor and an NVIDIA GTX graphics card, the Razer Blade 15 is also as future-proof as a Windows 10 notebook can get. A Laptop Mag reviewer noted that the notebook is a recommended gaming laptop that packs capable graphics performing in a sleek, attractive package. A variant of the notebook with even more capable NVIDIA RTX graphics is also available. And then there's the range-topping Blade, whose 4K OLED display makes every interaction a memorable one. Number 6. Microsoft Surface Book 3 13.5-inch. No laptop comes even close to offering the same combination of craftsmanship, power, versatility, and battery life as the Microsoft Surface Book 3. Thanks to its detachable display, the device can seamlessly transform from a powerful laptop to a tablet. Like the Surface Pro 7 we already mentioned, the Book 3 is also great for video calls, thanks to a duo of full HD cameras and high-quality microphones. The Surface Book 3 is available in a multitude of hardware configurations, including ones that pack an incredibly powerful NVIDIA graphics card. The latter allow the notebook to work and play equally hard, and I highly recommend that you opt for it. In case you need additional power and productivity, consider the 15-inch variant instead. I found it to be excellent in every way after a week of testing. The bigger Surface Book 3 is even more capable, and thanks to a built-in support for Xbox wireless controllers, it has a better gaming rig too. Coming in at number 5, Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5 Chrome OS Laptop. The Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5 is sleek, lightweight, and thanks to a 360-degree touchscreen, incredibly versatile. The notebook is also affordably priced, especially considering how feature-packed it is. According to a reviewer from Engadget, the Flex is a tremendous bargain for an everyday laptop. Unsurprisingly, having a 360-degree touchscreen makes the Flex 5 impressively versatile for a sub-$500 product. You can order an optional active pen to make the most out of the display panel's potential. The accessory is just as attractively priced and really worth it. Google's Chrome OS platform supports Android apps, making the Flex 5 equally good for schoolwork as well as for staying entertained after. The device is available in a duo of distinctive hardware variants. I recommend that you opt for the one with more RAM. Coming in number 4, Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. The Acer Aspire 5 laptop is our favorite budget laptop for students. Priced below $500, the full-size notebook offers solid design, hardware, performance, and connectivity. The notebook's aluminum cover gives it a decidedly more upmarket look and feel. The same goes for its backlit keyboard. Most importantly, the reasonably priced notebook will also make it through a full school day on one battery charge. There are several hardware configurations to pick from, with a 10th generation Intel processor. There's an even more affordable priced Aspire 5 with an AMD Ryzen chip, but its battery life is not as impressive. It also lacks future-proof Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Lastly, Thanks to Windows 10, the Aspire 5 offers a more feature-packed platform than a similarly priced Chromebook. It ships with Windows 10 in S mode, meaning that you can only install apps from the Microsoft Store. You can upgrade to a full Windows 10 build for free if you wish. Number 3. Apple MacBook Air. CPU: 10th generation Intel Core i3 dual-core. Display: 13.3-inch Retina display, 2560 by 1600 pixels. Memory: 8GB of RAM, 256GB SSD. Battery life: up to 12 hours. The latest MacBook Air is lightweight. It weighs less than 3 pounds. Timelessly elegant, plenty powerful, and reasonably priced. It has a fantastic keyboard and trackpad, a superb Retina display, and great battery life. According to an expert from The Verge, the MacBook Air is squarely in the mix of being the best laptop for most people. Like all things Apple, the notebook comes with a great selection of original and third-party accessories. Unlike its predecessor, the new MacBook Air is available with quad-core Intel processors, and, after testing one for weeks, I highly recommend this hardware option. If you plan to use the notebook for demanding tasks, consider the MacBook Pro. Available with a 13 or 16-inch Retina display, it has even more power and connectivity features. Coming at number 2, Microsoft Surface Pro 7 2-in-1 PC. CPU: 10th generation Intel Core i5 quad-core. Display: 12.3-inch PixelSense touchscreen, 2736 by 1824 pixels. Memory: 8GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. Battery life: up to 10.5 hours. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, fast charging capabilities. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is the best 2-in-1 PC for college students. It's beautifully designed and crafted, powerful, and incredibly versatile. A PC Mag editor rightfully concluded that the Surface Pro 7 represents the best of detachable Windows tablets. It can instantly transform from a tablet to a laptop via a type cover. The accessory is bundled in this case. Of course, like all Surface products, the Pro 7 is also compatible with the Surface Pen stylus. With a full HD front and rear-facing cameras, the Pro 7 is also a great tool for video conferencing. Microsoft offers the tablet in a host of hardware configurations, ensuring that buyers can find one that fits in their budget. The Slate is available in Platinum or Matte Black. Number 1. HP Envy Touchscreen Laptop 13-inch. CPU: 10th generation Intel Core i7 quad-core. Display: 13.3-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Memory: 8GB of RAM, 256GB SSD. Battery life: up to 15 hours. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, fast charging capabilities. One of the best touchscreen laptops, the HP Envy has a feature-packed spec sheet headlined by a powerful Intel processor, a capable graphics card, a crisp and bright touchscreen with thin bezels, and phenomenal battery life with fast charging capabilities. The sub-$1,000 notebook is also reasonably priced, considering the design and hardware specs it offers. Other key features of the notebook include excellent speakers, tuned by Bang & Olufsen, a fingerprint scanner, a dedicated switch for disabling the webcam, a fantastic set of wired and wireless connectivity features, and a gorgeous, all-metal build. If you're looking for a big screen PC laptop, consider the 15-inch HP Envy instead. It packs even more processing and graphics power. HP also offers a big screen Envy with a 360-degree touchscreen and an AMD processor for less than our top pick. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best laptops for college students. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.